Affiliate marketing is one of the best way to start. So today in this video we are going to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners. I'm going to share step-by-step strategy which you can follow and start your journey in the affiliate marketing. So without wasting any time, let's dive into my computer. Before we start the video, if you are really interested in taking your business online or start affiliate marketing business, you can book a strategy call from the link in the description. It will be a 15-minute strategy call with me or my team where we will help you to start your affiliate marketing business or take your business online, and it will be totally free. So let's dive into the video. When it's come to affiliate marketing, there are lot of ways you can start affiliate marketing. Like you can promote CPA, like get leads for the business, or you can promote high ticket products, you can promote physical products, you can also promote digital products, and there are lot of ways you can start with. But I recommend when you start with the affiliate marketing, you should promote products which will pay you recurring income, right? So if you like, it's hard to get sales in the starting, but if you get a sale and you are going to get income for that single sale every single month, it's going to help you grow faster. That is why I recommend to promote products which pay you recurring income from a single sale. So for affiliate marketing, there are 3 steps we follow, right? The first is finding the product. When it comes to finding the product, we can promote any product, like physical product, digital product, books, free courses, ebooks. There are a lot of things. I recommend you choose digital product. When it comes to physical product, they cost money. When someone will be selling a digital product, it costs money to deliver the product, and it costs money to have the inventory in the store, and it also costs money to produce the product, right? With every single sale, it will also add cost to the product. But in the digital product, once it is created, you don't have to put extra money to sell the product, like to serve the product to the customer. Assume that you are having a course, right? You are promoting a digital course. When someone will sign up for the digital course, it doesn't cost extra value to produce or to deliver the product, right? You can just give them the email address and password and they can start with the course. So it doesn't cost. That is why you are going to get higher commissions on the digital product as compared to the physical product. Let's assume there is a physical product, a headphone, right? So you will get a commission of 2 to 3%, maybe higher, so it will be 4 to 5 or 6% for a product like headphone. But when you promote a digital product like a course or healthy diet ebook or something like that, you can have commissions as high as 70%, 90% as well. I have seen products where you can get commissions as high as 70, 90%. So I recommend you choose digital product. The second thing we see in the product, it should pay recurring income, right? As I have told you, when you promote a product, it's hard to get sales in the starting because you are starting out and you don't have any knowledge, right? You are a beginner. So if you can get a single sale and you can still get money in the coming months, it will be easy for you to scale your business. Okay, so that is the reason I recommend to choose recurring products. And if you want to know about recurring affiliate programs which pay you recurring income for promoting their products, I have dropped the link in the description where you can have the list of affiliate programs, recurring affiliate programs, and you can find it from the description. The third thing is the product must solve a problem, right? If you are in a health niche, right? So your product must help your customer to lose weight or to be healthy, right? It must solve a problem for the customer. Like, the product should not be something very common that everyone can have, right? The product must solve a problem for your prospect. The last point, when we are finding a product, it must have a free trial, right? Or a $2, $1 entry in the product. What it does, when the person comes in, it's easy for your prospect to join it, right? And when the person joins it, you can have the upsells, you can have bigger commissions on the back end. It helps you get more sales when you are starting out, right? So these are the 4 steps we follow. I recommend to follow when you are starting to find a product. Okay, the second thing we need to do is we create a bridge funnel. What is bridge funnel? Bridge funnel helps you to create we create 2-step website. In the first page, we capture the email address or the information. So let me show you in my screen. This is one of my page, the first step of the bridge funnel, right? When someone comes to the page, he enters their name and their email address so that they can go to the next step. When we collect the email address, it is going to be with us for the rest of the life. Now you will say it's hard to create a funnel, I don't know how to code or something. So it's very easy. Anyone can create a funnel, 2-step funnel, in like a day or something like that. Or you can have this whole funnel with a single click, because these funnels are shareable, right? If I give you the link of my funnel, you can have the whole funnel on your end. So if you want this funnel I am showing to you, I will also drop the link for this whole funnel. You can have this funnel for free. Okay, so this is the first step of the funnel. We capture the information. So if the person don't buy from us, or like right now if the customer don't buy from us, we are going to give them email so that they can buy from our link later on, and we can promote other products as well in the future, and the list is going to be with us for the rest of the life, right? The next step in the funnel is providing value. When we take customer, like you are trying to sell or you are promoting things to the human being, right? Those are not robots or something. So you must provide value. That is the reason why they will buy from you instead of 100 other affiliates, right? So in this second step, we don't try to sell them and try to force them to buy the product, right? We give them value and help them how the product can help them solve their problem. And if the product solve their problem, they are happy to buy from you. If you give them some extra value, like you have already helped them to know that this product can solve their problem, so they are happy to buy from you right now. Make sense? So in the next step of the funnel, you can give them value, and in extra you can also provide them bonuses, which is the reason they will buy from your link, right? It will be more helpful for them if your bonuses can help them in getting more value from the product. this is the reason why most people will buy from your affiliate link or from your funnel. So this is the strategy used by every big affiliate marketers out there. People who are promoting promoting products from ClickBank, JVZoo, or any other affiliate program. There are a lot of affiliate programs, or any big marketers who are promoting product. All of them are using the two-bridge funnel because it provides more value and it helps you to create a list, an email list, which will be with you for the rest of the life. Okay, the next thing which we need to do is we need to promote the product. When it comes to promoting the product, there are two things: free traffic and paid traffic. If you are starting out and if you don't have any money to waste or any money to test things out, I would recommend you to start with attraction marketing. Attraction marketing is how we attract customer to get into the funnels, to get into our two-page funnel, so they can join the products or buy the products from our funnel, right? So what we will do is we'll go to Facebook, we'll create a profile where we will help people to solve their problem or help people to find more about us, right? So what we'll do is we'll create a profile, and in the profile we'll provide value, right? As you can see, here is a post I have in one of the profile, and here in this post I'm providing value, right? So when someone will come in the interaction with this post, they are going to have the value, and then they are what they are going to do is they are going to come into the profile. Okay, in this profile I have this image which shows them that I help people to start making passive income using Facebook and funnels, right? So what they will do is they will go to the funnel. I have this link on my profile, and more people, the more posts I put in my profile, the more people will see my post and come to my website, and then they will click on this link, and then they will be taken to this page, right? And when they will be taken to this page, they are going to put their information, and then they will go on the second page of the funnel where I provide them the value. I provide them value and I help them to get results and solve their problem with the product I am promoting, and then they will buy from me. And this is exactly what you need to do. You need to go and click the link in the description where you will find the list of affiliate programs, recurring affiliate programs, and join one of them which you believe in. Okay, the next step is you can have this whole funnel. I will also drop the link for that, this whole funnel. You can copy the whole funnel and do some changes according to your product, like change images and some text in the funnel as according to your product. The third thing which you need to do is create a Facebook profile, or you can do is you can create an Instagram page where you post daily, and when someone comes to your page, in the bio section you will tell them to DM you to learn more. If you want, whatever niche you are in, you can do model this strategy. Okay, I'm not telling you to copy the strategy, I'm telling you to model the strategy. Okay, so when they will DM you to learn more about how you can help them with their problem, you will send them the link of your funnel, and they will go to your funnel, take value, give you their information and buy from you. This is how you can start right now if you are a total beginner. If you have money, you can start with paid ads. You can try few things out which works or which don't, and you can start little faster. But if you have no money, you can start using this strategy, and when you start getting sales, you can invest that money back into the business, into paid ads strategy. Okay, so this is the easy way you can start affiliate marketing. If you are a total beginner, this was the step-by-step strategy. Okay, and if you are really interested and if you really want to take your business online faster without wasting your time, money, energy, sleep, anything like that, you can book a strategy call from the link in the description, where me or my team member will help you getting started very easily. Like, we will help you with every step, and the strategy call is totally free, so you don't have to pay for anything. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching till now, and please give me a comment whether you like my video or how can I improve the videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching till now, and see you in the next video.